Hello everyone, welcome to Sanatana Kushi Sutta. Myself Marwan Reddy and I will be welcoming you all to the organic farming series. In this series, you will be learning organic farming from basics to advanced level in a simple and practical way. In this content, you will all it will be in this lecture we will be covering introduction of organic farming, concept of organic farming, importance of organic farming, definition of organic farming in different NGO organizations, and components of organic farming, types of organic farming, and relevancy of organic farming in different fields, and some MCQs for the computer exams. Introduction to organic farming. Organic farming is a natural based farming system that focuses on mainly soil fertility, ecological balance, and biodiversity without using synthetic fertilizers or chemical pesticides. It depends on natural materials like compost, FIM, and biological process to grow crop. In India, organic cultivation is spreading widely, covering around 2.78 million hectares, and it became important due to the rise of health awareness and environmental concern. And key points to be remembered here: natural inputs plus eco-friendly work can improve our development and gives us sustainable agriculture. Concept of organic farming. The basic idea of organic farming is to work along with the nature system rather than controlling them artificially. It includes using of organic sources for the plant nutrients, recycling of farm waste into useful inputs, encouraging beneficial organisms in soil, managing pests through natural methods. It strictly avoided synthetic chemicals and genetically modified crops and artificially growth stimulants. In India, it is combined traditional knowledge with scientific practices. Let's see the definition of organic farming. Food and Agricultural Organization (WHO) organization will assess that organic farming is a comprehensive production approach that supports ecosystem health, biodiversity, and natural biological process while reducing external inputs. And next, International Federation of Organic Agricultural Movement organization says that organic agriculture is a system that maintains, improves the health of soil, plant, animal, and human, and the environment as a whole. And coming to NPOP, NPOP is nothing but it is a natural program for organic production, which gives India official system for organic standard certifications, ensures proper certification and quality control are checked by this organization and implementing under APIDA process. NPOP is mainly focused on certification and regulation body. Components of organic farming. In components of organic farming, we will be studying about soil management practices, which will be helpful. Like we will be using FOIM up to 6 to 12 tons per hectare, or green manuring, or crop rotation. Purpose: improve soil organic matter and fertility. Next, we will see nutrient management. For nutrient management practices, we'll be also using biofertilizers like Rhizobacter, Astrobacter, and vermicompost, which supplies nutrients to the plant like NPK. Disease and pest management in organic farming are very difficult, but we can control it by neem oil, biopesticides like trichoderma, and comprehensive planting. And weed management. For weed management, we will be using mulching of 2 tons per hectare straw, and hand weeding and cover crops are very helpful to suppress the weeds and conserve moisture. Next, crop diversification. Crop diversification is mainly helpful for the organic farming, like crop rotation, intercropping, agroforestry enhances biodiversity, reduces pest. Types of organic farming. Pure organic farming uses only natural inputs, sustainable for small farmers also. For example, Take Sikkim. It is one of the organic state in India. And integrated organic farming, it combines crop, livestock, and fisheries, which gives nutrient recycling system like Kerala. Example Kerala. Zero budget natural farming uses cow-based input like Jivamurta, Bijamurta, Ganjivamurta, which will be helpful for the plants to grow in a natural ecosystem. It have a low cost farming system. For example, Andhra Pradesh. Biodynamic farming causes cosmic thermity and herbal preparation like BD 500, which will helpful for the high value crops. For example, Maharashtra vineyard. Permaculture designed farming system like natural ecosystem, sustainable and diversified. Example, Kerala orchids. Let's see the importance of organic farming in India. Organic farming is nothing but a traditional practices and which reduces soil degradation and pollution, which increases export value up to 7,000 crores and supported by the schemes like PKVY. And for example, we will be taking Sikkim has a organic state which features 40% higher price for these spices. In global market, we will be looking at market gets up to $120 margin and carbon climate mitigations are also there like carbon sequestration and biodiversity conservation up to 30 to 50% of more species. Now let's see the overall topic what we have covered today. Organic farming concept about nutrient cycle, crop rotation, and biodiversity conservation. And we have studied also definition. In definition of organic farming, we have also studied about soil health, ecosystem, people, why we are not using synthetic products and modified and components of organic farming we have studied like soil management, nutrient management, pest and disease management, and weed management. And we have also studied types of organic farming like pure organic farming, integrated organic farming, and zero budget natural farming and biodynamic farming also. And lastly, we have also studied importance of organic farming, environmental benefits, economic benefits, health benefits, climate resilience, and sustainability. Organic farming is a natural based, chemical free, sustainable agricultural farming. Let's see the MCQs now. MCQs for NET, ICAR, UG, PG exams. Organic farming avoids synthetic fertilizers. NPOP is related to certification. Zero budget natural farming is mainly based on cow based inputs. Biodynamic farming uses cosmic energy. Organic farming improves soil health. Which Indian state is well known as a full organic state? Is a Sikkim. Neem oil and trichoderma are commonly used in organic farming for pest and disease management. NPOP in India is mainly conserves with organic certification standards. Which organization gives an international accepted definition of organic farming related to agro-ecosystem health? FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, and WHO. IFOAM is related to organic agricultural principles. Thank you for the watching Sanatan Kushi Sutra. Let's like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's learn and keep growing. Thank you. See you in the next class.